Okay, in today's activity, we're going to find an average, use the Vlookup formula, create a column chart, and sort. All right, so we have a group of students here. We need to find an average. I'm going to click in the formula in this cell, look for the formula. We're just going to use our auto average in this case. Highlight the correct numbers, press return, and then all we have to do is drag down. Okay, so now we're going to use a VLOOKUP formula. So what this formula does is it's going to connect this number to this little chart here. So here's how we do this. Equal VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is vertical lookup, and it's a pretty long formula. Open parenthesis. F2, that's where the number we're looking for is, comma, and we're going to select our area right here. All right, so it's going to look in these two columns. All right, so what column do we want the number, or the letter in this case, to appear in G? So that's going to be the second column, so we put 2. And true means we want it close enough. So close parenthesis, it gives us an A. Now granted, it would be just as easy to look over here and just type an A. But let's say we had 1,000 students. That's why we would use a formula like this. And there's a million other reasons we would use this formula. I just have this example as a teacher. So the one thing is, if I drag this formula down, we're going to see some errors here. And the reason is because the formula, if we look over here, updates every cell. So it's not just looking here anymore, it's looking down here. So we have to change our formula around. So I'm going to undo that drag. And when I go back in here, I have to put a $sign before the I, for the 2, for the J, and before the 6. What that tells the computer is if I drag this formula down, do not change those cells. So now our formula works. Okay, I'm going to center align these two columns because that looks better. What I want to do now is create a column chart. So we see how many kids got A's, how many got B's. Again, this is such a small sample. We probably don't need a visual on this. Okay. All right, so we see here, I got A's, C, D, E, B. A, C, D, B. Obviously, we would prefer if it was A, B, C, D. So the way we could do this is sort our data. So we're going to come back, select everything. Notice I am not selecting my little chart down here. Data, sort range. Data does have header row. And sort by letter grade. Click sort. Okay, it doesn't look a whole lot different, except you see the A, B, C, D. Of course, there's only one student that had a B, C, or D, so the columns are the same size. All right, that was real quick, but that is how to do the work today. Good luck.